So in 2 sentences, what is iExchange?
iExchange is a financial stablecoin infrastructure that allows businesses to access stablecoins and allows protocols to integrate stablecoins so easily.
So speaking of iExchange and like what you guys have done so far, what are the plans moving forward from here?
So some of the things that we hope to achieve in the long term is to build a part of our system. So looking more into like B2B, making sure that institutions, businesses are able to have stablecoin accessibly. That's in the long term. So with that, business owners who even have zero knowledge about crypto can still be onboarded.
One last question, right? Why did you build iExchange on Base?
For us, we find Base as home, right? Base has a very vibrant community, which we are in love with, aside the tech, which we believe is fast. Base is a place we love building, and the community is very supportive, right? And so, yeah, that's it for us.